In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up profile page on PayPal business account. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your PayPal business account. Make sure you're using the correct business account, since the profile options can be a little different from a personal account. Once you're signed in and on the main dashboard, you're ready to move to the next step. Now look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where PayPal places account-related options and settings, so if you ever need to manage your business information, this is usually the area to check first. After clicking the profile icon, a menu should appear. From that menu, select Profile Settings. This will take you to the section where you can manage and update the details connected to your business account. If you're setting up your profile page for the first time, this area is especially important because it helps make sure your business information is accurate and up to date. Once you're in Profile Settings, you'll be able to edit your business profile details. Depending on what PayPal shows in your account, this may include things like your business name, profile information, contact details, or other account-related settings. Take your time here and review everything carefully. It's a good idea to make sure the information matches your business records so your account stays consistent and professional. If you need to make any updates, simply change the details in the fields provided. As you go through the page, double-check your entries before saving anything. Small mistakes in profile information can sometimes create confusion later, so it's worth taking an extra moment to review what you've entered. Keeping your profile accurate can also help with customer trust and overall account management. After you make the changes you want, that's it. Your PayPal business profile page is set up or updated and you're good to go. It's a very quick process, but it's an important one because your profile information helps represent your business on the platform. And that's all for this video. If you ever need to make more changes in the future, just come back to your profile icon, open Profile Settings again, and update your details whenever needed.